Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to kill some aphids in a natural and safe way. So as you can see, these are just my sugar snap peas, but when you look closely, I've got some visitors. Let's see if this will focus on them. Look at those guys. Those are some nasty critters tearing up my sugar snap peas. Those are your common aphid, and they're sucking the life out of these vines. Let's see if I can find another one here. See how they're coating that thing. So I'm going to show you a simple solution how to kill these guys quickly and safely. You ready? Here we go. Okay, it's really simple. I've got an old spray bottle, 3/4 filled up with water, just straight up tap water. Then I've got some Great Value brand dish soap. Then I've got some peppermint essential oil. We're going to mix these together. I'm going to put probably upwards of 1/2 cup of the blue soap in the spray bottle, and then I'm going to put about 10 to 12 drops of peppermint oil in the mixture as well. Alright, I've got my concoction put in the spray bottle here. Now I'm just going to give it a good shake and we'll be good to go. The nice thing about the spray bottle is that you can hit them with the concentrated sprayer. You can do more of a spread out, less concentrated spray. But here we go. We're going to take these guys out. Ah, get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! So they're clearly having a bad day, and that's good. That's our objective, is to make our aphids have a bad day. So they'll die on the plant and they'll stay on the plant. And unless a bird comes and eats them, you'll want to wash these things off, obviously. Unless you just prefer the taste of dead aphids with your sugar snap peas. So yeah, this does not harm the plant whatsoever. This is a tried and true solution to aphids breeding and sucking the life out of your precious vegetables. So try it out, guys. Hey, and if you like this video, if this is helpful for you, do me a favor and just give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos kind of like this one. Appreciate it, guys. Keep it real. Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! This is just proof for all you naysayers. My solution kills. Those boys and girls are some dead aphids.